Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact child name and parent instance you need. Call Waitforchild, child name 5, immediately where the code depends on that child. Once done, make sure you reference services like replicated storage or a known ancestor to avoid nil parent access. If the parent might not exist yet, create or obtain it first. You do not have to poll manually. Wait for child yields until the child appears or the timeout expires, so place it where blocking is acceptable. Next, integrate Waitforchild into a synchronous initialization. Call it inside coroutines or for server startup so the main thread stays responsive. Once done, chain waits for nested structures. First wait for a folder, then wait for its child. This prevents race conditions. If you expect many assets, use a reasonable timeout like 5-10 seconds and check for nil afterward. Also log or assert failures so you catch missing assets early. This explains why you avoid silent nil references in production. To finish, add cleanup and fallback behavior. After Waitforchild returns, validate the instance and wire events or properties. Once done, disconnect temporary listeners and proceed with normal logic. If you hit a timeout, make sure the name is spelled exactly, the parent exists, and objects aren't delayed by replication. Adjust where the object is created if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: log the parent get full name, an expected child name to quickly find path or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.